Hi everyone, I hope you all are guys doing great. I am Iqra LinkedIn Wali. As you guys know, I share an amazing video review with you on daily basis. So today video is completely related to that how can we make stress our best friend, and the speaker name is MC Gonagal. So in this video MC Gonagal share us that you have to make stress your best friend. Like when you are feeling stress, you have to take care of yourself. Like she gave us idea, like when you have a lots of work and burdens of work, so you should have to take a page and you should have to take a pen and paper and start writing these all things on the paper, and it is very helpful. And then start doing work and then cut 101 point if something is disturbing you, and if something is feeling like if you feel stress and if something makes you unhappy, so start writing it and learn it, that why I feel this, and also use chat gpt to solve this problem. And she shared us that stress is not always harmful. When you change the way of you are thinking about stress, it makes you happy and more stronger. With the real life and examples about like writing it and cut it, so you can make stress your best friend. And she encouraged to be the best friend of stress instead of fearing. What we learned from this TEDx, what we learned from this TEDx, this TED talk, stress is a nuance, she is scared of word, learning to understand its use in positive. Okay, we learn to understand the stress and use it in positive way. Don't take pressure and work with stress, like work on your stress and don't take pressure on yourself. Just write it, remove it, and ask help to ChatGPT. So I love the way she defined TEDx. So thank you so much for watching.